Today is 8th day of lecture and we will study model and another we will do exercise practice. हो जाएगा यहाँ आ जाएगा. In the last class I have given you error. Now go on to do the answer. The ancient Egypt, you remember the sentence, the ancient Egypt dogs was. In the first sentence, was is error and correction is were. In the same, in second sentence, consider is given. That is, the consider is error and answer is considered. Fourth sentence is given, has is error. In C, has is error and have is correction. D number, being, error is being and being is correction. And last is or, second or and is error and correction is and. Now we will do the second chapter and the second chapter is modal. As you know very well, we go through many words, can, could, may, might, would and such type of word. One thing I want to ask you, you know a word would very well. You know a word would very well. And if anybody asks you the meaning of would, what can you say? You get problem to indicate, to present the meaning of this one. The reason behind it that will is also given to you, shall is also given, this is also modal, would is also modal. If it is asked to you what is the meaning of shall, what is the meaning of will, what is the meaning of would, you get difficulty to answer it because these are modals and modals are means according to given situations. Its meaning change according to situation. So there isn't any fixed meaning of modals, fixed meaning of modals. So firstly we will do the definition, and then we will go through the detail of this. So write the definition of modal and you write this one. A modal is a verb. A modal is a verb that combines with another verb to express any idea. Suppose I am giving you 3 sentences. The first sentence, it may rain today. The first sentence is given to you, it may rain today, may it given. May I come in. May I come in, may here is given. Or may you get first position. 3 sentences here given to you and in these 3 sentences may is given, it may rain today. That present here may present possibility. It might rain, that means and this is possibility. May I coming, that is permission, asking permission. Or may you get first position, that is wish. May is given in 3 sentences and the 3 may present different meaning. There isn't any match of meaning in these 3. So it is the proof that modals doesn't give any particular meaning. You have to go through the complete sentence to get its meanings. Now types of modals are given to you. You write it, may, might, can, could, shall, will is given. You know this one very well. So there is no need to discuss about this one. Next, would, must, ought to, used to, dare and need. Some book this one is given and some books this one is not given. So we will also discuss about this one. Next day we will discuss each and every types of model. Now I am going to give you one omission. You write it, and we will discuss answer of this one in the next lecture. Write it omission. First, walking very beneficial to us. We should get up early. We should get up early the morning. We should get up early the morning and go for walk. It is an exercise and pleasure. It is an exercise and pleasure. You will do this one, as I have already told you, and you know very well how to do omission. In next lecture, we will discuss about the answer of this one. Thank you. Have a nice day.